It is big square buttons. These are LED illuminated arcade-style tactile switches.
I'm having trouble understanding right now.
So you can pop this off. You can make your own little fun label. There we go.
No.
I spy cable through there for SPI and I2C. And this is not a perfect fit, so this will still function, in this case as a button. That's the neat thought that Lady Ada had, is these are big enough to fit. This is a 1.54-inch TFT 240-240. We probably have some others that are a little bit of a better fit because they don't have as much PCB. This could make your gigantic version of a keyboard with one display per screen. That's how you would potentially set that up. It is big square button.
No.